Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add windows in Revit step by step. Windows are an essential part of any building model, and Revit makes it easy to place, customize, and manage them within your architectural design. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and switch to the floor plan where you've already created your walls. Since windows must be hosted by walls, make sure the wall where you want to place the window already exists before continuing. Next, go to the Architecture tab on the ribbon and click the Window tool. In the Properties panel, select the window type you want to use. If the style or size you need isn't available, click Load Family to import additional window families into your project. Now move your cursor over the wall where you'd like to install the window. Revit will display a preview showing exactly where it will be placed. Click once to insert the window, then use the temporary dimensions or the Modify tools to adjust its position for accurate placement. If necessary, select the window and edit its properties to change the width, height, sill height, or other parameters. You can also use the flip controls to adjust its orientation depending on your design requirements. After placing the window, switch to a three-dimensional view, elevation, or section view to confirm that it's positioned correctly and looks the way you expect. Don't forget to save your project regularly as you continue developing your building model. And that's it. You now know how to add windows in Revit and customize them for your architectural project. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next